Hi you guys! You can say this is like part 2 of my previous video. This is a continued video from my previous one where I unboxed and did like a quick review on the new ring light I bought, and if you guys watched that video then you guys probably remember that I also bought a microphone, and so I didn't want to make it like a really long video by doing 2 things in one. So I thought, why not do a separate video for the microphone. So here I am. This is the microphone that I bought. It was for £29 and 95 pence, and so I'm just gonna basically like open it and like plug it in and then like see if it makes any difference and basically if it's worth the price. Sound quality is not too bad with this camera, but then I can sometimes, like when I'm editing, I can hear these like weird noises which does irritate me. So that's why I wanted to like invest in a microphone. So this is what it comes with. It comes with this filter which is really cute and soft, and it comes with this, I don't know what that is, this cable thing and another cable thing and this pouch thingy, which is really good because obviously you can travel with this and it keeps your mic in good condition. So I really like this. Cute. Oh, and I think this is the microphone here. So I think I can like, I can take this out. Oh, my bad. So basically this is the microphone. This is like the filter thing. I don't know what it does, but I'm going to test it out now. Oh, there we go. That's the microphone. And then I think you can plug this. Oh, and this is the thing that you mount on your camera, and then you put this thing, and you put basically you put this through the mic thing here, like that, and then basically you mount this on your camera like that, and then like you can put the filter on as well, and then this goes in your camera. Let's do this. Okay you guys, so I've just plugged the mic onto my camera and I'm just gonna do a bit of talking, and then like we can see if it makes any difference to my, the clip that I just filmed just before this. Okay, and I think that was good enough, and now I am going to try and put this filter on and we're going to see if it makes any difference with this on. Okay you guys, so now I have the filter on to the mic. Okay you guys, so now I have the filter on to the mic, and sometimes, I'm not sure, does it make any difference? I can hear these like, I'm hoping it does.